If you can't log into your Yahoo Mail account, first verify that you're entering the correct email address and password. Check for typing errors. Make sure caps lock is enabled, and use Yahoo's password recovery tool if you've forgotten your credentials. Sometimes the problem isn't with your account at all. Yahoo Mail services can occasionally experience outages. Check outage reporting websites or try accessing Yahoo Mail from another device to determine whether the issue is widespread. Browser problems can prevent Yahoo Mail from loading properly. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies, disabling extensions, or updating your browser. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. If you're still unable to log in, try resetting your password and verifying your recovery email or phone number. If Yahoo has temporarily locked your account due to suspicious activity, follow the recovery instructions or contact Yahoo support for additional assistance.